The future is here. I want to share with you my experience riding in a driverless car where I'm sitting in the passenger seat and there's nobody in the driver's seat, as you can see. This is a future I thought would never come during my lifetime, but now we do have cars that can drive themselves, and the applications are enormous for this technology. Imagine an old person can go to any place without having to drive the car. Okay, I'm riding in a driverless car in San Francisco. This technology is kind of interesting. It's here and there's nobody driving the car. I'm just sitting in the passenger seat. You can see the steering wheel turning like a regular person, but there's no driver. It's in fact, seatbelt is also fastened. And it's taking all the turns. It's doing a very good job. Like there's a driver there. I'm just sitting here. So this technology was developing in the 2010s at Carnegie Mellon. So it's taken like 15 years for this to be right. And you can see that it's really doing a good job. Going around the cars and making turns, those kind of things. Nope, I got confused a little bit. Slow down. So no one is driving this car. I'm sitting here, it's waiting to turn. It's amazing. It says drop off in 6 minutes. This is so cool. So it's following a bunch of cars here, and it's amazing how it maintains the distance, and also when a car moves forward a little bit, it does the same thing just like a human. I'm on my way to OpenAI. This is so cool. I can't believe it. I don't feel any weird without a driver here. There's nobody here. There's nobody in the driver's seat. I'm sitting in the passenger seat. So in the near future, driverless cars won't just take us places, they will reshape the places we go. Imagine cities without parking lots, where streets are narrower, cleaner, quieter, because... Okay, it's turning left towards the OpenAI buildings. Cars rarely stop or idle. And commuters could become calm, shared spaces, mobile space offices, and so on. So the real revolution isn't just automation, it's the freedom from the very idea of driving.
For your safety, the doors will remain locked when we arrive.
So what's good about driverless cars? Few accidents, maybe over 90% of crashes today are caused by human error, fatigue, distraction, speeding, or impaired driving. Autonomous systems don't get tired or text while driving. And AI can also detect risk earlier than humans, like sudden lane changes, jaywalkers, or vehicles braking ahead. It's even going forward a little bit, just like a human. Look at that. Now it's going to drop me off somewhere. We'll see. We'll see if it's going to drop me at the right place. I don't know. Okay. It's trying to drop me here. Okay. That's it.
You're here. Please make sure it's clear before exit.
Okay, now it dropped me off and now it's gonna go by itself. There's nobody, no human is in this car. It's amazing.
It's leaving without a driver.
This was a great experience.